If you're like me, you know there's nothing like a homegrown tomato. If you've seen the price of one tomato plant at the greenhouse, you'll want to plant your own. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. It all starts with the right tomato seeds. Now, I prefer heirloom, organic, non-GMO tomatoes. I just think that they have a better flavor. The first tip I'm going to give you is I use solo cups to start my tomato plants in rather than those little tiny planting trays you see, because every time you transplant your tomato plant, you shock it. By using a solo cup, I have plenty of soil for the roots to expand, and by the time it's time to transplant into my garden, my plants have an established root system that really makes them go. We're going to prepare these solo cups for planting, and then I'm going to show you one of my best secrets of all to make sure that we have the right amount of water all the time. You will want to make sure that your cups drain very well, so take a sharp object like a knife or a pin and poke holes in the bottom. This will ensure that your soil doesn't stay drenched. We're going to go ahead and fill our solo cup with seed starting mix. The starter mix is light and fluffy, so make sure that you get your cup all the way full, because we will be packing it down slightly. Now, one thing I've learned over the years is that tomato plants like consistent water. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to use a clear solo cup. We're going to put our soil cup inside, but you can see it fits too low. There's no gap here. So what I like to do is add a spacer in the bottom of this. I simply went out to my driveway. I got some little tiny pieces of gravel, drop one in each, and then you see it holds the cup up. The next thing you want to do is add a little bit of water to our seed mix, and also add about 1 inch of water to the bottom of the clear cup. Be careful not to overwater it. We don't want to drown our seeds before we get started. If you need a little extra moisture on top of the soil mix, just take a squirt bottle and gently mist it. Now that we got our seed starting mix wet, we're going to go ahead and take something like a little toothpick, and we're going to make 2 little indentations right here. Not very deep, less than 1/4 inch. The reason we don't go very deep is that little tiny tomato seed only has so much stored energy to poke up through the soil and get its solar panels going and draw its energy from the sun. I think it's easier just to put a couple of seeds in my hand instead of dealing with the whole package. Now what you want to do is put 1 seed in each one of the holes that you prepared. We're planting 2 seeds in each solo cup just in case we have a failure to launch on one of the seeds. It's cheap insurance. The next step is very important. Make sure that the seeds have soil contact and cover them with a small amount of soil, no deeper than 1/4 inch deep. Now, I don't have a big old fancy greenhouse, but I do have a trick that'll help these seeds germinate because they want moist, warm conditions in order to sprout. And for that, I'm going to use everyday sandwich bags. So what we do is we just grab a sandwich bag and simply put it over top of our cup. And for just a few cents, every one of our plants will have its own little greenhouse. Now you want to make sure you pull these off as soon as you see the plants sprouting. Now we're going to start these plants in my house, and in order to keep the mess down, I do like to use some sort of a clear plastic container to put the plants in. Just like that. No fuss, no mess. So let me get to planting the rest of them, and I'll see you in a minute. Another trick that I use is different colored solo cups for different varieties of tomato plants. Well, there you have it, a simple, easy, and cheap way to plant your own tomatoes. All you got to do is put them in a window where they're going to get plenty of sunlight, watch the level of the water in the clear plastic cup, and before you know it, you'll be planting them in your garden. If you found this helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching. Ask Dad How.